Hi, my name is Kristin Duncan, and I am a real estate agent in Asheville, North Carolina. I've been a licensed real estate agent for almost 10 years. I started out in Orlando, Florida, and as I started purchasing properties in Asheville, North Carolina, I fell in love with the mountains of Western North Carolina, and here I am. So I'm still operating a real estate team in Florida and also personally selling homes in North Carolina. So I started this series because I want to explain some of the basics of purchasing a home. I know when I bought my first property, I was about 24, 25 years old, and I didn't know what was going on. I was just kind of pushed through the process. So my goal of this video series is to help you understand the basics of home buying. And if you have questions, hopefully you can contact us, comment, and I'll try to get back to you. But I hope my experience can be useful to you. And today I want to talk about choosing a mortgage lender. This is often the first step in the process, and it is a super important step. So a mortgage lender is going to do a few things. They are going to issue you a pre-approval letter, which is going to be used when you make offers on properties. They are going to process your loan in the 30, 45, maybe 60 days that it takes to close, and then they will service your loan for a little while after closing. Now, likely after closing, they are going to sell your loan. It is very common. All of your terms will remain the same, but you probably won't be dealing with that same mortgage lender the entire length of that loan. So that is fine. You're going to keep the same terms. So your mortgage lender is the person that's helping you get your pre-approval letter, get your offer accepted, and get you through the home buying process. So I highly recommend speaking with a real estate agent. They're going to be able to give you some great suggestions for mortgage lenders. And I know a lot of you want to go to Rocket Mortgage or Quicken Loans and get that quick pre-approval letter online. There's many reasons not to do that. It really pays off to have someone to talk to up front and to explain all of the options of your loan. Of course, there's different types of loans, and there's also different options within those loans. How much money you're going to put down? Can you get your credit score up to a more optimal point? So a good mortgage lender is going to have those conversations with you and discuss what actually is best for your loan. If your mortgage lender is not doing that, it might be time to move on. So we don't benefit as agents from you using one mortgage lender or another. I don't benefit. I just want to see my clients get the best service possible. And when I say the best service possible, I'm looking for someone that not only will explain all those options, but they're going to be around at 5:30 p.m. They don't leave the office at 5 and never return our call. And they're going to be around on Saturday at 1 o'clock when we have questions about a property. A lot of banks will stop working at 5 o'clock, and if you call after 5 o'clock on Friday, you may not reach your mortgage lender until Monday. I'm not condoning everyone work 24/7, not by any means, but in this wild real estate market, we need someone who will answer the phone and will answer a listing agent's phone call as well to help you get your offer accepted. As a listing agent, I will tell you, I look to see, do I know your mortgage lender and what kind of reputation do they have? Are they someone that is going to answer all my questions quickly, or are we going to be just a number in a line? I'll even kind of try to investigate, did you just put some numbers into the computer and they spit out a pre-approval letter to you? Or is this someone that actually knows your financial standing and understands that you can get approved for the loan? So it's very important when choosing a mortgage lender. I also love, from a buyer's agent and a listing agent perspective, I love when a mortgage lender will call the listing agent to tell them just how approved the buyer is. I want to know that my lender is doing everything they can to help me get my buyer's offer accepted. And when I'm on the listing side, I want to be able to tell my sellers, I am fully confident that these people aren't just maybe approved, that they are really approved. They have turned in all of their information to this mortgage lender. So there are so many small service aspects that really matter when it comes to choosing a mortgage lender. Again, we'd be more than happy to give you some names and numbers of people we trust. So good luck.